Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will discuss about custom insurance for your profession. So watch completely video and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more insurance updates and videos. So watch completely video. Mm, get gravy spoon, get going. And then I will tell you that our business and restaurant gives you gives you gives you the confidence to take smart risks, the kind I'll that I'll take you to the next level. So whether you're just starting out or looking to bring on a team of 20, accidentally damaged. Currently discussed about complete details about. So watch completely video. Accidentally damaged customer property. General liability insurance takes into the general liability insurance. Complete details about this, so watch it. Incidents and basic risks. Contractors and cleaners can add tools and equipment coverage to protect their gear as well. If you have employers, workers come is mandatory in almost every state to help cover medical bills and lost wages of a workplace accident occurs. And don't forget about the boss and business owners coverage to protect yourself as well. If you're accused of making an error at work, also known as errors, so vehicle related damage shouldn't mean you have didn't mean you have to restricted. So watch completely videos and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more details about complete details about this. Complete details about this. Complete detail about this and so watch completely video and I will discuss add a tools and complete detail about it. So watch completely. Take care and goodbye.